Let's explore our solar system. There are 8 planets in our solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. The Sun is an ordinary star, like all the others you can see in the night sky. It gives out heat and light, and without it, there would be no life on our planet. The Sun is not solid, but it's a huge spinning ball of hot, glowing gas. The Earth could fit inside it 1 million times. Let's discover our first planet from the Sun. So it is Mercury, and it's the smallest planet in our solar system. If you landed on Mercury, you would weigh a lot less than you do on Earth. Mercury takes only 88 days to orbit the Sun, giving it a very short year. However, its days and nights are long. The second planet from the Sun is Venus. Venus is about the same size as Earth, and it's known as Earth's sister planet. It has volcanoes, mountains, and valleys much as Earth does. However, you wouldn't survive on Venus for 1 second. You'd be crushed by the pressurized atmosphere, or poisoned by deadly gases, and fried by the ferocious heat. The highest volcano on Venus is Mount Mons, named after Mut, the Egyptian goddess of truth and justice. The third planet from the Sun is Earth. It is the only planet in the universe that we know has life. Earth is a spinning blue and white ball, and it's sometimes called the blue planet. Earth comes from an ancient Anglo-Saxon word erda, meaning ground or soil. Earth has a much more varied, colorful landscape than other planets. On Earth, there live millions of different plants and animals. The fourth planet from the Sun is Mars. Mars is the easiest planet to live on. In some ways, it is like our Earth. For many years, people believed that there was life on Mars. Mars is also known as the Red Planet. On clear nights, you might see a bright red star in the sky. It is Mars. The fifth planet from the Sun is Jupiter. It is the biggest planet in our solar system. It is also the fastest at spinning, taking just 10 hours to turn once. 4 Galilean moons are orbiting around Jupiter: Callisto, Europa, Ganymede, and Io. Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun, and it's the second biggest planet after Jupiter. This planet is made of gas, so it's impossible to land on its surface. Saturn has amazing sparkling rings made of millions of pieces of ice. If you landed on Saturn, your weight would be slightly more than on Earth. The seventh planet from the Sun is Uranus. It's difficult to research because it's a long way from the Sun. It takes 84 years to orbit the Sun. Uranus is also known as ice giant. There are 13 rings that circle Uranus. These Uranian rings are made of ice, rocks, and dust. Neptune is the furthest planet from the Sun. That's why it is bitterly cold. It would take more than 500 years to fly to Neptune from Earth. If you would like to see part 2, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!